Welcome. In this video I will show you where to get all the material that we'll be using. So just go on the links that I will put on the description and you'll get there. It's GitHub, it's my GitHub, it's a fork from the Julia Academy one. I changed a lot of things, but you can get back to the original if you want from there. And you'll see Learn Julia and To Be Reviewed. So basically To Be Reviewed is all I still need to change to create this lecture, and Learn Julia is the one that you're interested in. So here you'll see all the Jupyter notebook that we will use in this video, and there'll be soon if you look at this in a while. So I go back, you can either download here with GitHub, or you can just use Git if you know how to use Git. Once you download or clone the repo, what you will see is this. You'll have a folder, Learn Julia, and here you'll have all the Jupyter notebook. So for you to be able to open Jupyter Lab in here in Windows, you need to press Shift and right click. And if you're in Windows 7, you'll see Open with Console. And if you're in Windows 10, you'll see Open PowerShell window here. So I do this, it opens the PowerShell and you write Jupyter Lab. When you do that, Jupyter Lab is opening, and you will see that you just open Jupyter Lab in this folder where we got all the different files that we'll be looking at. So now you got all the material, and we'll start with the video of each of those different topics. See you soon.